I've been finding it hard to admit, fucking around with a brand new hole in the streets, more time, but still don't care. So you would keep me safe, I held you down, but you never gave me shit. You kissed my heart, so I'm letting you go. Love is a lonely road, it's cold outside, so I'm staying at home. Please don't text or ring my phone. Yeah, like a child, you never admit to the shit you've done, you're saying in vain. I'm a little bit TLB, that's how I'm found with being alone. I feel the lungs at last. They know you're playing my heart. Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. We having in live trading right now on YouTube, and we are going to give out some entries today. We have in our levels here, and the reason why we are going to have in those levels. So please subscribe to the channel because we are live right now. Dekram, Kawato, how are you, bro? I'm a dog, I'm starving and hungry, so the way I bring the starters fast. I can't keep it raw at the end of the day. I was left with internal scars. Could have been alone with you like ours. You struggled to move on fast. When I held it, I let you in. I don't know why I let my guard. 4 a.m. I had no sleep. Could have forced my head too deep. Man, I need more rest every day for my grind and we feeling weak. And it's time to be lived on, come with a push. Just know that the price ain't cheap. They don't look your way when you wake up bread. That's why I spend beating in my chest that I can't explain. Falling in love when you feeling pain. I don't know about love, no, when it comes so many times that I done got paid. Losing my man trying to find my way. Yeah, I'm trying to find my way. The man them killing for cigarette, 5-star hotel smoking cigarette, mixing codeine up with a vinegar. She got fit, but she wanna get thin again. Drinking inside of vinegar, wearing skin, cause she wanna be killing it. Alright, I know they are bad, stop acting. Yes, I have been my people here who have just joined. Yeah, I have been someone. I have been Ayevade. He said, "Hi, Stuart, how are you?" Ranga said, "Hello, hello." This name is a bit hard. Akuri, Akurinias. Yo, hello. Anik said, "Where are you? We are here." Oh, thanks. Fully active. Okay. Isma Abubekar said, "Good morning." Because no time to waste. Frank said, "Morning. First time here. Hope you make some profits. Yeah, you make some profits. Just subscribe. Don't forget subscribe. You have been someone called what I said that was Stuart. I'm fine. I haven't people. It's me, Josh. Yo, Josh. How are you, bro? So we are having our live trading today, and you people who have been following me up, you could see that I've been having in some trades that have actually worked out very well today. I flipped in a $400 count since yesterday, and it's now at 5,000 USD. And I hope by the end of today, once you're with me here, I expect to push it up to 10K. Could see it's a 5K USD account, and we're live trading it today on YouTube. I flipped it from $400. Right now, in just hours, we are in 4K USD. We are now profits of some good USD. It's now in 5K USD, and I expect to push it to 10K today. So let's live trade the whole day. Let's scalp in the whole day. Let's trade in all the pairs, and we see if we could actually try to make in a living today. So we're having in those zones that you see here. We are live trading on YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can join in now, and you see how we are going to reach 10K USD today. We are live trading today so that I can reach this account to 10K USD.
It's actually at 5K from $400. And I usually do these things. I always do these things. I always flip these accounts. I flip smaller accounts, bigger accounts, whatever size of the account. I actually be able to make in some profits. Okay. And what you're seeing right now at this screen, we're having two zones. We're having in a buy zone, okay, and we're having in a sell zone. And for the sell zone, remember market has sold impulsively, as you see, okay, and I'm just waiting for retracements. We're actually going to do this. We could actually buy to the sell level, or we could actually wait for the sale to reach. So we have in two zones. It's just the market to accept or the market to move to our directions, so we could enter in. So that we could enter in. Yeah, I'm having in people here saying good morning, and that's a great morning, bro. Pima said it's a sale. Yeah, we see it's a sale, and we just want reaches that level. And for the buy zone, so today we are very lucky that all the zones have not yet been tapped in. Okay, so it's always easy for us to get in these entries. More so in this London session that we are going in right. We are going in the next few minutes. Yeah, Raymond said second time here. Red and active. Thanks, bro. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Emotional AI story said, hey, hello, bro. Tony was wise was said, okay. And don't forget that you should subscribe to this channel in order for us to having these live tradings every single day. And as per now, yeah, we are at 3.4K. That gives in some energy. That gives in some energy. Now I'm going to mark these zones, okay, and I'm going to also give you the reasons as to why we're marking these zones. We are live trading on YouTube. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let me show you what we up right now. um we are live on this channel here, okay. We're live trading on this channel, and I'm having in some people here that have actually joined us, I think, and I'm going to show you how I actually flipped this account. And I told you the best broker that I use is Equity Brokerage. Yeah, you could see this is an account that I flipped from actually $400. Today I've actually made 3,180 USD. You could see the trades that I took, but overall, yesterday I made over 1,700 USD. Okay, and it's a 5K. It's at 5K right now, and I'm expecting to make it to 10K by today. I'm expecting to, some people be having in these challenges nowadays. They be having in challenges where they say they will flip. Now let me show you where this account started from. They be saying they want to flip 1K USD to over 10K, but they spend days and months doing it. And for me, literally, I can do this in a single day if at all the market is acting the way it's acting right now, because many people fear it because of the volume that is in the charts, because of the wars, and that's when I come in. I like these scalping moments because markets give me money in through my zones, because it's always easy for me to have in those scalp sales and scalp buys where, because my strategy actually favors it more. So you could see yesterday I made it some good amount. Even today I woke up, I made in this 2K USD on that same account. And for today and for now, I've before coming here on live at around 20 minutes before I actually made over 1,000, and it was scalping. And right now this account is actually sitting at 5,200 USD. I told you for the best broker that I use, The link is in bio. Yeah, and this is actual account management. You could see this is actual account management, and you could see the broker, Equity Broker. The link is in the bio, and of course, having in some good amounts. And yesterday, on my big account, I actually made in 12k USD on that on that position that I had yesterday. Actually, I'm going to show you how much I made yesterday. Yesterday was it second? I think it was second yesterday. For yesterday, that's how much I made. Those people who are always in my groups, I had in some sales. I made in some good amount. 1.5 gave me 11k USD, and 0.1 gave me it was over 800 USD, because when you check what I'm having here, these are over 800 pips. Okay, and we very well know that it's very hard to have in this 800 pips in gold. We are live on YouTube. Just subscribe to my channel so we can live trade together. It's here. The link is in bio. Let's trade together. We'll be having in these live sessions every single day. And you could please subscribe to this channel so it can grow more. So we're actually starting on live trading today, and I'm going to mark my zones. So people here on TikTok, I don't want you to miss, because when I show my charts here on TikTok, I actually get banned. Okay. Now, let me make my analysis here. I'm going to show these people the buying zone and the selling zone. Okay, for today's selling zone, I'm just waiting for a retracement at this level here. Let me mark it for you. I'm just waiting for retracement. And for the buy zone, I'm just waiting for these people to take out the sell side liquidity that I'm having. I'm also having a support level there, and they have covered up this imbalance. That's why I'm expecting in these buys today. Okay, and I'm going to mark for you the zone. And what I don't want, I don't want you people to forget that I always having sniper entries. Okay, I always having sniper entries. So let's just stay on, then we see how much we could actually make from this live. Okay, now when you look at yesterday's new close that was made, okay, and you have a look at this candle here. It was an impulsive candle, but it also left in a lot of liquidity down here, because they swept people's liquidity, but again they had to come back and fulfill this imbalance that we're having here. Now, what am I expecting today? I'm expecting buys if markets come and liquidate or take out this sell side liquidity. I'll expect buys at that zone, this zone that I'm marking here. And remember, we are still in the same space, so actually expect market to reach very fast, because we are going in some sessions. And for the sell zone, I'm expecting, if market comes back to these levels of 40 to 30, let me show you. Yeah, so now we shall actually have in this for this sell zone. Okay, if market taps my my areas of interest that I'm having today, and we could scalp in. Remember, in yesterday's trades, we actually made out some. We had in some scalps yesterday, and we made in some good money. We had in some sales here. We are live on YouTube. I be live trading on YouTube every single day. And yes, I'm having in my zones here. I'm having in a sell zone here and a buy zone here. I'm just waiting for the market to reach my levels. And when you remember yesterday, we had in our sells, we had in our buys. You could see how people benefit from my YouTube live trading. You could see here, YouTube live trading. I was telling them about this accumulation, manipulation, and distribution strategy that I always use. Okay, and you could see how markets reacted. Okay, and that's what I'm having today. I'm just waiting to actually This is our YouTube. You could see we're having some people here, so you could join up after here. And I want to live trade today so that I can take this account to 10k USD. I actually showed you in yesterday's gala that I actually removed this account from $400 yesterday. We had in some live session yesterday here with my people, and yeah, this is it. You could see I always take my screenshots to join my trades. I got it from 400 USD yesterday, and I always do these things. I always do these things. You could see I made in some loss of 500 USD, and before I think it was late, I made in some profits. These lot size that I put, because nowadays, remember, gold is very heavy. Even if you put in a small lot size, it is actually heavy, right? Because of the price that gold is on right now. And I could see that I actually moved this account to some good profits. I always generate my trades. I made in first 1,000, then 1,700. So I took it to maybe this amount, 2,000. So I slept. In the morning, I actually flipped. This is my big account where I made over 12k yesterday, and you could check that from that I okay, you could see what I marked. Actually made in some amounts today till this account is at 5k, and I'm expecting to take it to 10k by the end of today. So join our YouTube, subscribe to our YouTube, so that we can grow together as a community. Now the market is actually going up. Think it's going to reach my sell level, and this is the sell level. If at all it reaches there, we shall just wait for confirmations. Now I'm having into zones here. I'm having into zones, nothing more. Remember, in this market, if we don't buy, we sell. I'm just waiting for a retest at that zone, this zone here, okay? Because of the sell momentum that gold had, I'm just waiting in for this. And for more explanations, just stay on with me, so we could have in more explanations as to why I mark those levels. Having a lot of things that I look at. Some people be thinking that I have in a few conferences, but I have in a lot of things that I basically focus on. Okay, I have in a lot of things that I basically focus on. So stay on with me. We see how much we're gonna make today. We see how much we're gonna make today. We see how much we're gonna make today. So these are the zones that I'm having. For me, in most cases, market becomes easy if I actually know where I'm going to enter from. Like right now, even if it happened maybe in the New York session or the London session, these are my zones. I just wait for the conferences that I be having to match me. Okay. Again, if market comes to those zones, I'll just wait for, have they swept the liquidity? Have they manipulated? Have they, given out those fake candles? Now, I wait for the candle closures. Have they worked out the way I wanted them to, work out? Then it will always be easy for me. Okay. So now, if I've grown, let's say, an account, what and of course, what I observed right now is that gold is very, very heavy. Okay, gold is very, very heavy in a way that even if you're having in, let's say, 0.5, even if you're having 0.5, sorry, I had in technicals with this chair of mine. It's an electric chair, so it are disconnected. Now, remember, and I'm going to also tell you the trick that I used to grow these small accounts. Okay, with growing small accounts, remember, someone is saying screen not clear. I don't know if it's not clear again. To me, it's very clear actually, because I also see what I'm, you know. Is it my network or for me mine is good? I don't know. Okay, I was telling you this. Okay, uh, how do I grow small accounts actually? Now, like that account that is at 5K, yet I removed it from $400. $400, $300. It depends on what lot size that I use. There are some lot sizes that I told you. Okay, if you put in right now, gold is heavy. If you have in 0.5 and it's actually going in profits, bro, it can actually make you rich. Because nowadays, on 0.5, when you check on these entries that we'll be having, yeah, if you get a confirmation, more so I always get in some sniper entries. If actually it gets, if actually we're making some profit, we are live trading on YouTube. Don't forget to join. Let's say this sale works out. Let's say it works out, okay, and it moves down over 800 pips. Do you know how much someone could make in, let's say, lot one? Someone with lot one would make 8,000 USD just like that, okay, and it's the same as this buy. So we just waiting for a confirmation to either buy or sell this pair, okay. And in most cases, if you actually want to make money in trading, you should be patient. You should not panic for entries. If an entry has left you, just chill, okay. Now, yeah, just chill, because now there is also one thing that I wanted to give out. That was a sale, but market didn't come to react at my zones, okay, because I was waiting for candle closures and the candle closure closed bearish, but they didn't. But this next candle also just came out bearish, so I'm just waiting for confirmations at my zone, okay. And the overall trend today, to me, what I'm seeing, the overall trend today could be bearish, yeah, in these small time frames, okay, not in the big time frames, but in these small time frames, we could be bearish today. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Username is STUARTFX Flipper. And don't forget that we have in a free trading community. That's our Telegram. Also, the links are in the bio. You could check in the bio. You could check these links. You could know how I actually grow up these small accounts and how I actually position my trades. So things are always easy if you actually know what you're doing, and if you really know how to control your emotions, because trading is emotional. Me, I've been getting accounts, small accounts of $50. I take it to 300, and then from 300 I'm making a loss. Maybe they take it all, okay. So if you're someone who is like, sound on YouTube has gone off. Man, I don't know why you people say sound on YouTube has gone off. Bro, it's on, eh? Check your phone maybe. Mine is on. People say sound. I don't know. Mine is on. Try to go off and then come back. Eh? Try to go off, then come back. And I didn't say that you should go off forever. And I have been some Raban Trade said, what risk plan would you use to grow 100 to last year in January, I grew an account of $150 to 100K in 3 weeks. So there I don't use any risk management, bro. Sometimes when you're flipping accounts, you can't have any risk management. You can't tell me that I do these things. I grow $30 to $1,000, $50 to $1,000, but don't expect me to have in that to having that risk management that you people think. I can do a risk management thing if at all I'm having in a big account, like let's say 5,000 and above. But more so if I'm flipping my account, I don't actually mind about it. I just have it in mind that I'm going to risk $1,000 on this trade. Let's say right now, if let's say I'm having in a setup and my SL is let's say 40 pips or 100 pips, I could actually put in an let's say lot one, knowing that I'm here willing to lose let's say 400 USD, or uh, I'm willing to lose maybe 1,000 USD. But I always know that if I'm going to lose let's say 100 USD, no, no, 1,000 USD, I can actually make 1,000 more, or maybe 2,000 USD. That's always how I risk. Right. So that's how things work out here. Now, there is something that I can't actually share on YouTube right now because maybe I can't put it in here. But what we call the BTMM, or be the market maker, that moving average strategy, it works in line with my strategies and also your strategies. You people who trade price action, you people who trade any strategy that you use, it's the same thing, okay? It's the same thing that actually happens. Okay, let me actually share it in my Telegram right now, and I show it to you so that you could also observe. I don't want you people to miss out. Now, I'm going to share in this picture. Let me share in this picture. So, people on TikTok, you're actually missing. We are live on YouTube. We're actually live trading on YouTube, and people are actually making in some good amounts. Okay, you let me now share it to you here, okay, so that I could explain it to you very well. Okay, now are you seeing those zones that I've marked on my screen right now? These zones that I've actually marked. Let's say this one, let's say this one. So I could sell from this zone, okay. I could be having in let's say an FVG, or I could be having in another block, or anything that I could be having, okay, or my resistance level, support level, and then I'm having in these strong moving averages. And how do they actually work? How do they work? uh we're having in this green, it's a 200 moving average, okay. And remember, for these moving averages, they help me to get sniper entries, and the stronger the moving average, the stronger it can hold the price, okay. The stronger, like, if let's say if this is a 200 moving average, it is stronger than a 20 moving average. But they're always useful, they're all useful, and it also depends on what time frame that you are actually in, okay. So I'll having a very big lesson on that. And I've been flipping with that all along. All along. Now, those are the zones where I expect market to actually give us some good amount today. It's where I'm expecting gold to give us some good money. Okay. Let me show you this paper here. We always be live trading on YouTube, and those are the zones that we have actually marked. So you could join in. Having in some people on YouTube giving out their opinions and signals, but you could actually enter in. Then if you make profits, you could you could actually tell us. Yeah. So live join our YouTube channel so that we could be having in live trade. We actually many today. We have been here. We have been like 60, 70, and right now we are 53. Yeah. I think it's growing. When we started this YouTube live trading, we were like 10, 15, and now it's moving. And people are actually subscribing on the channel. So it's what I'm having for today. So my people on YouTube, you could now start commenting on some other pairs as we actually wait for gold to reach our level. I hope you've seen the levels right now, but you could comment on some other pairs that I could actually make some analysis from. You never know, we could have in entries right now. Yeah, it's good. We are now at 408 subscribers on YouTube. That's very good. That's very good for today. As we're waiting for those zones to actually react, comment on some other pairs that we could actually go for. My people on YouTube, I think you're not interested in other pairs. I think you like gold more. So those are the zones we're actually waiting for. Yeah, I'm seeing now some pairs here. Someone has commented some pairs here. Someone called Man 100. He said, I see you just sales on hit above the Asian high and target yesterday's. Okay, we are going to turn in for USDJPY as you've commented. Brian Murana said, let's see on CAD Okay, we're going to be very fast passing through this. We have in Heavy Planet said BTC USD. Okay, I checked on BTC USD, but we are going to check on it more. Yeah, I think the major pairs here are the same pairs that we actually trade. Now let's first go in for USDJPY. Can we look at the zones? You could join in on YouTube right now. The link is in the bio, or search STUARTFX Flipper for the zones. Now, what was this person saying about USDJPY? Bro, USDJPY might surprise you and buy. Yeah, and buy. We're having in levels where USDGP can buy today. We just need in confirmations, okay? But I'm seeing in some buys from these levels. But I need to confirm more. It's not you know, you people, I always give you here signals and then yeah, they make you some good amounts. But for USDJPY here, you know, these pairs are very funny. It could buy from where it is right now or at this zone. But to me, if I wanted some long trades, I would wait for that zone that I've marked, that FVG thing. Wait for that 50% cost encroachment level. Then we buy into some good levels above here, okay? Yeah. So that person who, I don't know, you wanted to sell, I don't know, you wanted to sell to which level, but it's what I'm having for USDJPY. We're having into zones where it is right now and where I've actually marked. Okay, those are the two zones that I could actually push this price. Now, someone will ask me, Stuart, what will I do? Will I now buy? Will I buy now or now? That works. You should also check on your analysis because that's it. Today I'm very happy. I'm seeing we're having in 70-80 people. Means you people, you've shared this live. Let's make it to 100 today. Let's be 100 one time. This in one view. So that's USDJPY for you. Then let's first go for CAD JPY. Rana talked about CAD-JPY. CAD-JPY is in confirmation of buys, okay? Yeah. Remember I told you these pairs, I don't like these pairs. The way they give in their confirmations, they be at my levels, but they act funny. They act funny always, but CAD-JPY is in buys. It's starting its buy journey. That's what I'm seeing. But they are waiting for some, at least some sweep below this candle here. Because now this is funny. They might even tell you that this is the candle that showed their liquidity. These pairs are always funny to me. They are always funny, but it's having in buy plans, okay? From those levels, from okay, and I think it will be very easy for you, Brian, if I could mark for you the zone. I could tell you now, okay, let me tell you the zone because I don't want you to be confused. That's why in most cases, I actually give out buy zones. I don't give out a specific zone that when it taps this level because these markets are always very funny. Okay. Now Murana, the buy level we're having right now is 11, 5, 2. Also this level of 11, 14 point okay, let's say 800. Okay. So that's the level we're having. Sometimes I also give you these levels because I be out of confirmation to you that do this and this, but it is in the same zone. It is in the zone. So you might tell someone you should wait, and then this pair has active fund. It could just buy from the zone where it is, and someone had already missed their entries. Okay. We are live trading on YouTube. Search username STUARTFX Flipper. You could join my channels, and for the recommended broker that I use is Equity, and you could check what you know as Thomas FX Presser. Okay, and the link is in the bio. That's why I showed you this account that I've actually flipped from $400 yesterday. It is now at 5,200 USD. And if you to use some calculations, you could check how much money is that in UBX. Okay, 5,000 is about 19M. Okay, 5,200 is about 19M. And if you to check today on this same account, I've made 3,183 USD. That's 11M, 11.5. Okay, that's some good money in this economy. Yesterday I made over 2K on it. So that's it, 7M, 15M. Those are the ranges. And the other big account of mine, I secured over 43M in just a single day. Yeah. But if you check, losses are normal. I also take losses. Okay. I also take losses, but for today I've not made any loss yet. Just made in withdrawals and what. But for today I've not made any loss. But losses are part of the game. Because if you to see this account, the biggest loss that I had is 515 USD. Yeah, the rest are profits. And the profit that I've made on it so far is 4,912 USD. That's how the game works. So, let's go on another pair as you people asked for these pairs. Someone commented about Euro USD. Let's dive into Euro USD. We see what's happening at Euro USD. Euro USD has no entries to me so far. Yeah. Maybe in New York or something, it will give us some entries. But right now, it has no entries to me. Never. It's just in the middle of buys and sells, like you know. Yeah. Let's talk about GBP USD. Someone commented on GBP USD. GBP USD left us already. It is selling, but it's about to reach my support zone, so we could buy from there. Okay, so just stay tuned in. Stay tuned in. Somebody commented about CHF JPY. Ah man. Yes, that pair that you commented on, that pair as you commented on is actually buying in a few. It will buy in a few. Mark the level of 200. 200. That person who said, see, that's a Depanda. My OB from Bude says, mark 200 level. Someone said, do I trade silver? Of course. Actually, me, I can trade any pair. I trade it. My strategy works on any pair. But to me, I just specialize on a few pairs. Ah, bro. Silver is buying. Silver is just buying at it, and it's at the entry levels, bro. You could buy in silver right now. Buy in silver right now. If you actually trade in silver, that person who commented silver, you could buy in silver right now, having your final take profit at the Asian high. That's at 91, 407, something like that. Buy in silver right now. Thanks for commenting about that pair. And you could have in your final take profits at these levels of these levels are the midnight open candles there, because I think for yesterday, yeah. So do that, because this thing I had already left you is just retesting and it will buy. Thanks for commenting on silver. Someone is saying BTC USD. Someone has said BTC, BTC, BTC. BTC is funny. The zone where BTC is right now is in the middle of accepting whether it will buy or it will sell. Don't forget that I've just given out a signal on silver. Yeah, that's it. For me, I don't even need to make that much analysis. As long as I reach on a pair, I come on a pair, BTC might buy. Yeah. BTC might buy, big man. BTC might buy. And for just waiting for that candle to close above where you see that midnight open. But BTC might buy. Yeah. BTC might buy to some good levels. BTC might buy. Yeah, that's BTC for you. I've marked out these zones. You could check on our YouTube. We are live trading on my YouTube channel. You could see. And I'm giving out all these things here. That's why you see we're having in some YouTube live trading. And actually many people be making a lot of money. And we have in a free Telegram community, which is this one, Flipwave Forex Academy. The link is in the bio. I be giving out entries, I be giving out Forex education in this Flipwave Forex Academy. It has been in existence since I started Forex trading in 2023. It has been in existence since 2023. And we want to get in some entries. We want to get this 5k to 10k by today, because I flipped this from $400 yesterday. When we had in lives yesterday, we were talking about the wars in Iran, the wars in what and what in those Middle East countries, and I actually flipped this $400. It is now at 5k today, and I'm expecting to put this 5k to 10k. For me, I actually don't have in those funny scenarios where I say I'm going to flip $1,000 to 10K. No, I actually do that on a daily basis, so I don't need to market it that much. And no wonder people fail on those challenges, because flipping accounts is not easy as long as you do it on not if you do it like for if you actually do it and you have not been it for a good time, or you have not been practicing, it becomes very hard for you. You could check that's gold for us, either London or New York, it will give us money.
Got these golden ones in the VIP, or trying to impress me. And they don't want me for me, if they can't have me, they don't have my bedroom. And they don't want me for me, if you listen up my necklace. They can't press me, then
So that's what we're having today. We'll be live trading every single day on our YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to that channel. Mukisha Michael said chogezaako okugamba, what do you mean by that? Musima, there are many FVG on BTC. Have you used that? Now for me, I have been a lot of conferences that I use. There are many, but there are specific ones that I use. Remember, even if I mention on something, don't think that it's just easy to use. Yeah. The Christian said 8,000 USD, but chategeera. I didn't understand there. But remember, for us, we are used to making in some good amounts, and also we are used to making in huge losses. So for me to make 5K, 10K is not news. I've done a lot of money in forex trading, and I've lost a lot of money in forex trading. So to me, I no longer having that excitement of money. Even if I'm making a huge amount, it feels normal. It feels normal. Let's first watch on silver right now. I'd actually want to enter in silver because we marked in silver and it's doing good, it's doing well. Having in silver right now with on that zone, so our entry zone for the SL, we put it below here, below that liquidity thing that they made, because when they come back at that zone, let me also buy in silver. I put in some positions, but I'll add in more. Do you know why I left silver, by the way? Let me tell you the reason why I left silver. Now, for silver, the problem with silver, when I started forex trading, silver was very heavy on my side. To me, it was very, very heavy. To me, I couldn't flip my account with silver. I always liked gold. That's why sometimes you see that I take long to go in for silver. I don't take silver as my thing that much. Yeah, but remember, this analysis can work on each pair. And I'm warning you, I'm giving you, oh, you should have in this explanation, that for silver, whenever you want to enter, the entry started from this zone here. So whatever you do, you should know that you're having in late entries, because we actually monitored it late. but it is still the same zone. Yeah, you should know that. Don't want you to mistaken me. If at all we came in and made in some analysis. So what I mean, expecting some pullbacks. Hey, expecting some pullbacks. Someone said, do you think the bearish FVG will be validated on silver? Of course it can be validated. Why not? It can, even if you see that people are buying there. Richard Nyanzi said, good morning. So you are using 1 hour FVG for gold sales, right? At STUARTFX Flipper? No, I'm going to check on the if you have in actually that. I'm focusing on other things to say. Yeah, I've not even checked if let's actually check on it. Someone would have raised a good point. That shows that you people, you have actually benefited in my things, in my teachings here. You know, for me, my trading thing is very easy. Just that okay, let's go in the 1 hour. Someone commented 1 hour FVG. We might be having that 1 hour FVG, yet for me I focused on other things. So when someone commented on 1 hour FVG, it's actually a bit, yeah. If you want, we can focus on it because market could actually come at our level and even try to pass through it. Someone gave a very good point, but it is the same point, yeah, bro. It's the same level. Are you seeing this line that I marked here? This one I had in my sell zone at 5340, but I'd focused on other things. But since you've made in this good analysis of the FVG and what, that's very good. Yeah, to your point, we shall sell from that level. We shall sell from the 1 hour FVG. Should actually focus on it. That point was from Richard Nyazi. Richard Nyazi, thank you so much for that good observation. You could actually, because that's very good. That's a very good zone. They are the same zones, but that one will be very perfect if actually market reaches that level. Yeah. Hello everyone on TikTok. We're having a free Telegram community. The link is in bio. You could join in. We'll live trade together. Yeah. Nyanzi, thank you for that. That was a very good observation that we could actually consider. Man 100 said, bro, how is your system on trading view used? You just connect to a pair, it's already labeled. Because I already made that in the back end. I have a lot of things that I don't show you here because they're in my mentorship thingies and what and what. Yeah, Nyanzi, thank you for that. If we actually make some money from there, you inbox me for 100 USD and I see if I will give you. There is something we are going to start in our Telegram community. What's that? Each week, I'm going to be depositing some money, okay? Then I ask you people in the community, should we buy or sell? And if I told you people, or the majority, or many of you say we buy, and we buy, okay, I'll give out the profits to you. If we actually make a loss, then that loss will be on me, not on you. But if we make profits, I'm going to be giving out those profits to you. The people in the community who actually have subscribed to this channel, those people who actually don't have any profits. Yeah. That's it so far. Check silver and 15-minute FVG. You know, people here, you also give me you know, whenever you comment, whenever you show that you actually on this thing with me, I get in more energy to live trade with you. I could actually trade on my own. Okay, I could actually trade on my own. Bro, you said we don't have a 15-minute FVG silver thingy. You don't have it. This one we are having, it is still in the same entry that we are actually taking. I told you to take in buys and Richard, don't send your number. We haven't made money yet. Richard, don't send me your now. Richard Nyanzi. Please, Richard Nyanzi has said this. We have not yet made money from the gold setup. Now, which money am I going to give you? Richard Nyanzi. Things don't work like that, Richard. I'm having in 460 USD so far on silver. Let me close one position so that I could actually show it to you. We are in. That's what I tell you. Money is always made on these lives. And that person who brought in silver, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Let me show you. Let me show you. Let me show you. Let me show you what we're having. And my people who are here on TikTok, you're missing out if you're not on YouTube. Okay? Let me show you. Oh, it hasn't reached yet. Let me show you. This is the silver trade that we actually taking in right now. I've closed off some profits for 422 USD, and I'm having in more silver positions that are actually running. My channel, actually today I'm having in, let me tell you how many subscribers we have got today. When I'm live trading with you people, I've gotten like 20 something people today. That's good. That gives me very good energy to live trade with you. Oh, so don't forget to tap the link in the bio for the free Telegram community. Hani Ibrahim, thanks for following me, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel because we'll be having in some live trading every single day, and we have actually made in some good amounts today. Someone commented silver, and we are making money through silver. The setup is running smoothly. It's running smoothly. Smooth. English is not easy, but I can't use Luganda for you people. Never give up said help me too, bro. Link in the bio. Actually, never give up. You've not subscribed to my YouTube channel. That's very bad. We're making money on silver right now, and we are waiting for gold to reach our zones so that we could actually trade it. I'm actually having in some breakfast too from the profits that I made yesterday. So don't get jealous of me. We are making money on silver. You could also withdraw. You take in some food, and I'm having in something from Matofu Andrew said, Bochidi, yesterday I almost drank water on gold. What do you mean by that, bro? What do you mean by that? Did you making some money? Abdu said, hello Stuart, give me some advice on my account of 35 risk management. If it is for risk management, put in 0.01 and you could avoid silver is running, bro. Live trading on YouTube, silver is running. Tap the link in the bio for the next setups that we'll be having. So you could use in 0.01s, okay? Yeah. US 30. I want to go for those pairs. Bro, silver is moving. 0.50 is having in 1,000 USD right now in profits. That's why these pairs are very good but very tricky. Now imagine we entered from these zones here. Do you know how much we could have made from these pairs? These pairs are very good. I'm actually going to now specialize in gold and silver only. So far I'll be giving you these setups, but I'm going to specialize on gold and silver because they are volatile the way I want them to be. Yeah, silver is running. Silver is running. Giving in how much so far? 1,500 USD even. Yeah. So my people on YouTube, hope you've seen. This is how things work, man. We could actually you could actually quit your job. You could actually quit your job because you'll be live trading every day. Now, why do you need to have a job? Yet we can make money here. You quit your job. I was also an electrician a few years back. I left my job to trade. So you can quit also. Let me show you. I think we are running. Silver is actually running. It's actually running as we wait for gold. Yeah. Don't forget to tap the link in the bio for the free trading community and free trading advice that I be giving in every day. Silver is running, giving in some good run as I enjoy the breakfast. Someone has commented, Mr. Swale, has he come here? That was my good teacher. Swat, are you in Uganda? I'm everywhere. I'm international. I'm international.
My sweet face, she called me Terry, and what you expect when this girl so far. Out in twerking, gone past Terry, she went out eating, the girl got caught. Stepped in the place all shiny, I thought I would change my glow when I walk. Looking on phone, if you wasting my time, got me changing my stuff.
I've subscribed. That's very good. That's very good. So just be on. We're making this money together. Bro, about those indicators, even if I give them to you, bro, you can't use them. That's the problem. That's the problem. You can't just use them, okay? You need a mentorship for them. For you to think I just made this trading easy, that's not how things work. Yeah, I put in a lot of energy. Keep on TikTok, let me put for you this thing so that you don't forget. Link in bio. Actually, you people who always be here with me, you will start to know that I have a very big difference with those people who trade with those other people in other countries. Actually, I have been a very big difference. The way I trade is very simple and exceptional. I don't know why you guys don't share it to your friends. Emma Oyaka on YouTube said, but thanks for your work, man. Thank you too. Hope some people are making in some money in silver. Actually, if you've observed, I don't make up this big analysis to get an entry. No. I just know that this pair is doing this pair is buying, this pair is selling. I don't need to make that analysis that your people show you that we shall make in this analysis, smart what and what. I always come in here, we scalp in these positions. It's very easy once to know what to do. Now for me, I learned in the strategy, okay? So it's easy for me. Never give up, said boss. My amount depends on you. You trade daily on YouTube. You could check in even the replays we had since last week. Last week.
Something went wrong. Please try again.
Last week we be having in live trading sessions every single day. That's why you see we are like 5 people here, and we could be in like 50. You could see these comments, meaning I be live trading with my people every day. I say. Now don't you see someone is saying I'm going for mentorship after making money with those lives and signals? That's what people have been doing. People have been actually coming in, giving in me money that we made, me and them, okay, on these lives. And it's encouraging. Silver is moving. I mean, at 1,800 USD on 0.5, and it has just moved a small, you know. Hope you guys could. You just know. For me, I'm actually good at these entries. I can live trade. I can go an account of $1,000, $500 to 10K in days. Yeah, the white trade. More so if I'm high risking on that account, I can make in good amounts. That's what I can tell you. I'm a high risk trader and a professional trader with a good risk management. Someone said check on Audi JPY. Okay. Audi JPY. Taina Mulamwa, bro. It has no entry. Having a good entry later on or in the New York. That's what we call knowing the charts. My analysis is very simple and easy. Very simple and easy. I just look at the market and I tell you it's going to do this and this. And in most cases, that's what it does. Okay, gold is at this level, but we talked of the 1 hour FVG, which is at this level. And I think it will be better if we could wait for market to tap. If it would tap 43.40, okay, then we shall see if we are. Because now, if I'm to give you a sell zone right now, from where the market is right now, which is 53.30 to 53.40, those are all sell levels. Okay, let me note down for you these sell levels. That's what I told you, man. In sometimes these markets are very funny. From we said 53.10. Now this depends on how much capital you're having for you to enter. Not applicable. Why? 2 53.40. Why? 5.3. I don't know why it's doing this. But for me, I always give you I said 5.3.30. Okay, 2 5.3.40. And if you were here from the beginning, you know the reasons as to why. So entries can be from where it is right now or even here. Now that's the issue with gold, or that's the issue when when markets try to be funny. So don't forget that our capital, if you have in a small capital, you wait for the other zones. If it doesn't reach those levels, don't enter. But if you have in some big amount, you could even enter from this level, then hold. Okay, that's how I trade in. Because sometimes you people see in scalps, someone could enter in from here, making some profits, then thinks that market won't retrace to those levels. Silver is actually making it out. Silver has given out some good amounts, bro. So that's what we're having for gold. I think those zones, how those zones are very crazy, and you know, they are very aggressive zones. Market starts from any zone to make money. Still on silver. Silver, we are making money. That's what I can tell you. Let me show you. XAG USD. We are live trading on YouTube, and we'll be having in these live sessions every single day. You can see how silver is acting. Silver is crazy. Silver is crazy. So join our YouTube channel and the Telegram channel. The link is in the bio.
That being a class, I'm taking my class so long, she too seductive. You know that one from the grandmother man, you wouldn't believe I fucked it. She got on her knees and I had to get up and leave her stuck it. Don't believe these rumors, don't believe these lies. Can't read, I can see in his eyes. Don't believe these guys, he fucked, at least he tried. On these in the weekend skies. You can't see on your life, still can't reach these heights. She goes on road, man, I know road, man. Could guy with a semi on a auto. Dripping a Bujo. Also, these 9 M's gonna rip through two souls. 6 gold banners, Bulldogs. Go on me, West Kudo. 100K, I spent it on daily, it's Louis and seafood dishes. 2 spinners went either side, trying to bring it different. Less is more, if you're talking scores, we're too prolific. Police are learn some ways, and still wanna play, they're too consistent. Just know if it's up and stuck. We drop that tape, I'ma go again through the locks. Only wanna know if it's stuff hit man in these. Hold of the cup, throw me the gloves, and throw me the values, what won't know was us. I can make stretchers come, work rate next to none. Gang got a bad selection, but a specific one. Don't tell me the mission's done, if they ain't missing one. Tryna do it like Broski done it, that was one-on-one. Up rock Diddy, gather up Willie, show you got a bust down 50 Lily. Chillers, rappers and rappers, you pick me. Old school doors to the clappers, house I'm sharp with Diddy, I was Tiddy. One of them prospects, actors, run down down and I run down campus. He came with a done it with fists, would have done it with a fish, would have done it with cutlets. He would have done it with a 4-4-2, that's tactics. Everyone's doing their tunes. I really have to kill that rappers and hope that it won't go through.
So you could see how silver is acting. Silver is acting very good. Silver is acting very, very good.
Rambo blazing kitchen. What did he cry? My first 6 figures. Only I came in the dance laughing. I said I'm home with stitches. If only have you shades of cherry balls or clouds on slippers. Drinking pints on my shooter. 15 bags on my missus. I make meal and lifestyle. Didn't know I came up with killers. Nino got my pack, that's bro. Got my pack, that's
Silver is doing very good.
I ain't you more than a meal with Terry. I don't really know what they done with Penny. What's that? They smoke like scary. Full clip, sipping my OG juice. Let's try my shooter. Slap it and shake up the night. Call it off, but it was from raps and bitches still my fight. Whenever I see him, I slap it times. I'm getting like children, drop. I'll give you cup for the march.
Okay, let's now go back on gold to check on gold, what's happening in gold. Because I think we have been here for some good time, 1 hour and 15 minutes. I don't know you people on YouTube if you would actually want me to go in for an extra 1 hour, because at least always my target is always 1 hour. Bro, offer call your people back. I will offer you my people back, but sometimes I can ask you a very funny question. I'm doing live trading with you every day. It means I'm offering you back, bro. I'm offering you back, but we are going to have in some sessions. Yeah. So this is all our selling zone from where the market is right now. And those people who are actually here know what I've actually tried to do. Oh my God. No, wait. This is the gold that we made analysis from, right? Let's wait for this zone. Let's wait for this zone. Yeah, let's wait for that zone. We'll be having in live trading sessions on YouTube every single day. And for today, right now, we're having in 50 people watching live or trading with me live, and people are actually making in money. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Link is in the bio. And for the free Telegram community, the link is in the bio too, whether WhatsApp or Telegram. The links are there. And for the trading brokerage that I use, the one I flipped this account of $400 to 5K right now, the account that I showed you today, from $400 to 5K. The link is in the bio, and that's the equity brokerage, which many of you term as FX Pesa. This one you have it. So let's look in making some good amounts. So people with small accounts, people with what information is here. This is going to be our entry. Remember, now let me tell you one thing that is funny, okay? These brokers, let's say, now the brokers on trading view, like for example, this one is a Wanda, and the other one that we are on, of course, on gold, it was forex.com. In most cases, these things don't put the same, don't, their candles are different. Everything becomes different on them, so you should also be wise. You could be using a broker that is manipulating you and not giving you the right real-time entries. So that's it for gold. Then when we talk of silver, silver is doing good. Silver is very wonderful. Silver is very, very, very wonderful. So people here, could we please continue for another 1 hour? Oh, you're tired. I don't know. If you're tired, you tell me. We you know.
I've been focused on getting my pound, this generation, and you care about clout. And I was flat on my face, and neither of me, actually, I'm not on the ground. It's funny now, man's on top. I just want to make moms proud. I'm trapped in this London city. I just pray that I make it out. I've been focused on getting my pound, this generation, and you care about clout. And I was flat on my face, and neither of me, actually, I'm not on the ground. It's funny now, man's on top. She don't listen to UK rap. If it ain't Dave or Sanch, she has 6 by friend as a 4. A freeway gonna make that 10. Are you sure you wanna make that wife? We know her since way back when. If it's a book, then they gotta be a cousin and you say 3 if I say it. My selection and tell her we got right now. Go broke and watch them all leave up. I can't give a home, I don't want. She'll go home and put it on default. I'm in the cold, my flow, I can't cool me, I'm like rolling on default. Shots are really shit on. One day we're split, now we're going Antigua. 3-man jump out the photo, cool, it's a miracle of a player.
Silver is doing great, but let me tell you one thing so that you don't forget it. Even if silver is doing great, for me, I've made over 4K and I quit. Okay, I removed all my positions of silver. Yeah, may I tell you, I'm good at scalping. I'm good at scalping. So I've actually removed those trades of silver. Yeah, you should know that. We have in some strong zone at 41, 42, 43 of gold. I'm having in also these moving averages. Okay, they are very strong, and I told you they work in line with my trading. Okay, that zone is very strong. It could give out some good momentum. Put that in your mind. And I have them everywhere in all time frames, so might have in some good entries from there. On silver, won't that FVG affect the move? For me, even if it affects, I've already gotten these candles, I've made some good amounts. So let's learn to secure in profits and run out of the charts. Okay, let's learn how to secure in profits. Okay, And we're having in news here that have come for silver. They are saying silver and its symbol extends its losses for the second successive session, trading around 87.20 per troy. Okay, during the European hours on Tuesday, precious metal faces challenges despite increased safe haven demand amid the Middle East. Now, you people don't focus on news. Me, I've shown you, if I'm trading a pair now like silver, I can see its news, okay, and I can know because you people, you comment on that FPG that you're commenting about, but when me, I'm actually uh, focusing on the news also to know if I got in my good entry, I can check what is the news telling me, so I can hold. Okay, yeah. You people only focus on technicals because we have done these technicals. Remember, because of the wars in the Middle East, I told you these pairs are now acting as safe haven pairs. That's why investors are putting their money. You should know that. I've removed in my silver. Okay, I don't regret it, but it is doing good. It's doing very good. I wish I was still in, but me I secure profits. I like profits, bro. Me with profits, we are the same. Someone JY said, "What should we do on gold?" The link in bio. Nisima said, "I'm new in here. Link in bio. Join our YouTube live trading session right now." What's the best broker you used in analyzing? Link in bio, bro. Okay. We are live trading on YouTube right now. And for gold, I've already gotten entries that will work for us today. And market is moving at our entry, at our sell zone. So subscribe, first follow my TikTok, join the Telegram community, join the YouTube live trading session. Let's move together as a community. So this one, if you fail to trade this pair to this signal today, then I will know that you people you've actually you actually miss on purpose. If you actually miss that, you will know that you miss on purpose. Mhm. I will know that you're missing on purpose. Gold is going in that level. I think 90 pips to go. You would actually want to, having some sales, and we see how this market will actually react. So we're calling this as a retracement to reach our sell zone. Let me target how many pips, what lot size will I use. And first see if I put in lot 0.5 at that entry, and then it moves to, let's say, down here I don't know if it will reach there. Actually, it could give me $3,800. So meaning if I have in lot 1, I can easily secure 7,000 USD. Okay, market is reaching that level. Let it give us let it give us confirmations. We enter and we make money out of it. It's actually pushing hard, going to the entry levels, and we see what will happen if it reaches those entry levels. Oh my god, I have someone here who is called Orementa. The name is hard, but Olemete Emma. He said, "I'm now up 2,000 USD from 500 equity. Thank you, Stuart." That's what we do here, bro. Someone has made $1,600 on silver, bro. Bro, people are making money out of this thing. That gives, and those people with funded accounts, you should come on these lives, be here. These entries can help you. Now someone is up 2000 USD. Did you know what that means? That's 7.5 M UGX here. That's a crazy amount. That amount is very good. You don't know what that amount can do to someone. Now for me, when I'm having in that account of 2K, you don't know how much I can make. That's minimally 10K a week. Minimally. Minimum. When I say minimally, meaning the smallest, at least 10K. Now someone has made 2K. If you actually having these entries every single day, you know how much we can make. Hmm? You know how much we can actually make from this thing. Hmm? See, I said used to manage accounts. Yeah, I do. We are trading live on YouTube, and I hope you people you have liked the consistency that I've put, because you could check. We are making a month live trading this week, and I thank all those people who have been here with me for this month. Okay, you're doing a very good job in live trading with me. Mbeke Tom said, bro, I got 5 USD. What lot size can I use? Now that depends, okay? If that's gold, if it's gold and it's on our level that we planned to sell from, you could let's say now you tell me, do you want to flip the account or you want to use a proper risk management? Because you could risk in 15 USD, okay? You could put in 0.01 risking 15 USD to make either other 15 USD or to make 30 USD. That's a risk reward of 1 to 1 to 1, 1 to 2, or even 1 to 3. But if you actually want to flip the account, you want in some money badly, you could put in 0.03 or 0.05 as you, because me in that thing I can even put in 0.1 or 0.15. For me, there is a way I layer in my positions, okay? And it could run and you're making profits. Yeah. Actually, we're in 1 hour and 30 minutes today, but it's good that we have made in some amounts. That makes sense. So I don't know if I would push more for other 30 minutes, or since you've got the entry, I can also now try to relax. Maybe come back in the New York session. I don't know. I don't know what you guys could tell me. You've got in the zones. I've showed you the buy zones and sell zones of today. So it's you to tell me. We are live trading on YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It will actually make more sense if you people do appreciate. I was at office sometime and I found in my friend watching my YouTube, but he had not subscribed. Yet he's on my YouTube. I hope you know yourself.
I'm out for lonely. Inside I was down slowly. Outside there's smile on my face, and that's why I feel like nobody knows me. Fake friends blocking my blessings. I wanted to swim or play in the goalie. I did it with favors, never got favors. Now only you owe me. I put my touch in them and they turn out fake like people's fake. I told them that it would turn out like this. All they had to do was wait. I said that my heart's an ice. They surely learn how to speak. Broke the ice and got in my heart. So for the love, I still got faith. Are you living or existing? My life changed when I see the difference. Opportunities. If I see a chance, I'm there on the instant. Mom will me, don't step in the mud. I learned it hard.
So that's it we are having for today. Please allow me. We have made in some good amounts today. Let's be appreciative. I've given out those zones, and those people who want to maybe who we want to watch the signal. If I'll give an alert, because me I already be on the market. The link is in the bio. Join that Instagram community. The link is in the bio, which is Flipwave Forex Academy. I'm going to be giving in alerts, okay? So that's it for today. I'm actually exhausted. Thanks for being on. Yeah. We meet in the New York session.